Are you in it for the price or for the tech? This is the question you get asked by some community members when you're in crypto. While it's pretty obvious that everyone wants those financial incentives, some will argue that they're purely in it for the tech. So let's break down why this is being asked in today's video. Stay tuned. Now my point is that it really depends on who you ask. So if you chat to a developer who's writing code, they will only care about tech, or at the very least mostly about tech. But if you chat to average Joe who's heard from his friends that there's lots of money to be made or lost in crypto, they'll care about the price. And then there's the third type of person who's interested in both. Now let's talk about why both are important. If you're only in it for the money and ignore the tech, then you could become a victim of rug pulling. Just imagine buying into the hyped up DeFi token only to see the dev behind it remove all the liquidity from Uniswap and to leave you speechless. Not a good feeling, right? This is why it's important to find that balance between tech and price. After all, if you do your research and you determine that the project you want to get into has good tech that solves a problem and doesn't simply create a problem that doesn't need solving, then you've probably made the right choice. At the end of the day, in order to maximize your returns, you have to balance out the early entries into a coin or token with its potential to deliver. So what I mean by that is, the earlier that you're in it, the better it is. For example, you should set an alert for token sales, or at least know they're going to list on a small exchange, as that will give you more edge before the masses hear about them, should they decide to go on a larger exchange. Now, some which have promising tech end up not delivering their milestones, or simply lie to you by finding various excuses. Now let me know in the comment section below, are you after the price, the tech, or both? Take care and see you in my next video. Bye bye.